Thank you for joining the National Weather Service in Missoula for our planning briefing. Today is Thursday, July 14th. We're looking at the next week's worth of weather impacts for the Northern Rockies, beginning with Friday, when thunderstorm threat emerges across the region, and there's a very low chance of wet and rain with any thunderstorms that do develop. This could also be said on the Sunday through Monday period, when a mostly dry cold front will intensify wind on both Sunday and Monday, and really provide very little in the way of beneficial moisture. By the middle of next week, we'll be under high pressure when daytime humidity is drying and overnight humidity recovery becoming quite dry, especially on terrain. Here's our severe weather outlook for Friday, and this covers much of the Northern Rockies. Anywhere where you see green, thunderstorms are expected, and where you see some of the deeper greens, some of those storms could be stronger, producing some pretty good wind gusts Friday afternoon. Here's Friday afternoon probability of lightning. As you can see, the Beaverhead Deer Lodge National Forest will see the best chance of lightning, but it isn't out of the question for most every other part of the region, save the extreme northwest portion of the Kootenai National Forest. And with any thunderstorms that do develop on Friday, you can see here by the amount of atmospheric moisture, or the lack thereof, depicted in the brown, that any thunderstorm that develops will most likely be dry in nature. You add into that wind gusts, you see that southwest Montana is definitely primed for better wind gusts than much of the rest of the region. And the relative humidities as well, reaching down here into the upper teens, whereas much of the rest of the region will be somewhere in the low 20s to low 30s. Now by Sunday, we're going to be looking at a bit of a change in air masses. What I have depicted here is the jet stream aloft. The most important thing to recognize here is that here is the low pressure system coming towards the Northern Rockies, and where we have darker colors right here, we are seeing higher wind speeds aloft, up to 140 miles per hour. Much of this will translate down to the surface and produce winds around 40 miles per hour gusting across southwest Montana and west central Montana in particular on Sunday afternoon. And then we have a problem with our atmospheric moisture continuing to be low for much of the region. We're seeing another round of thunderstorms develop, and they're being directed by the jet stream shown in the last image. So much of the storms that occur on Sunday will be coming from the southwest, heading to the northeast. And also the relative humidity will be ticking down even a little lower than it has been lately, particularly across southwest Montana. The Beaverhead Deer Lodge National Forest seeing lots of minimum humidities in the 15% or so, maybe even 10% range. And then we go on to Wednesday of next week, and this is just an example of our relative humidity recovery overnight. As you can see, much of the terrain is in the orange and yellows, which depict 50 to 70% relative humidity recovery. So we're going to be transitioning into a period of high pressure by the middle of next week that will definitely be causing our humidities to go low and stay low. And finally, our weather threat matrix showing the thunderstorms on Friday and hot temperatures through Saturday, followed by the next thunderstorm threat on Sunday with wind across northwest, west central, and southwest Montana, and also the drying humidity across west central and southwest Montana. Some of this bleeds over into Monday, and the dryness only continues through Tuesday and really beyond. That's our briefing for today. Our next briefing will be on Sunday, July 17th. We hope to see you there. Have a nice day.